That one I gone down in my recipe book. But not exaggerate. It bad. Hi guys. It's day 39 of 90. Day 11 of 14 days juice thing, and it's been an awesome journey. The feeling I am having, or how I feel, is the best I've ever the best I've been. I like literally feel like I am myself and how I'm supposed to feel. So I started with my coconut water as usual. Bottoms up. Hey, coconut water can be so refreshing, and it's just sweet and nice. Yep, summer day is going great. No, I'm having cane. Cane is just juice. So yeah, I didn't get to video much for the past couple of days due to work and stuff, but here I am. I'm still here on the journey, in case you're wondering, and I am loving it. I'll be trying out a new recipe with melon, mint leaves, ginger, and some coconut water. Let's see how that turns out. Nice. Yo, it bad, and the mint flavor, oh my god. That one I gone down in my recipe book. But not exaggerate, it bad. Next I'm going to do some melon, butter, eaty apple, ginger, and some freshly squeezed orange juice. So now I have my coconut. Yeah man, start the week right? Happy Sunday y'all. So this is melon and cucumber from Full Blossoms. This is the end of day 40. Not much was video today because I was at Rawsome's live for the raw food challenge. I just had juices that Kadi made, which is the endometriosis healing juice, the fibroids healing juice, and the immunity boost juice. That was about it. All in all, it was a good day. I'm feeling great. Day 40 has ended. So let's see what day 41 have in store. I'm literally halfway there. I'm excited, kind of excited. I'm coming to an end, and I'm excited that you have mixed feelings, because you really want, there's certain things you want to eat. Raw, of course, raw. But all in all, it has been a good journey. I'm feeling great. I'm feeling happy. I'm shedding weight. I'm shedding waistline. And I can't wait to go to the beach.